Today we proudly look at our mission as a national mission.
Intersec for us is a real springboard. It's really one of the only presents we actually really look to invest in.
Welcome to TECHx Media. We are at Intersec 2026 and right now I have two very special guests with me, Mr. Rabie Atieh. He is Chief Executive Officer at Transguard Group. Along with him, I have Mr. Mundell. He is Chief Security Officer at Transguard Group. So let's welcome both of the guests on TECHx Media. It's great to have you here with us.
Thank you for having us.
So let's start with talking about Transguard is already an established company and most of the people don't need an introduction. People know what do you do. So if you can give us a brief overview of how the company's vision and mission is aligned with UAE's security strategy.
Sure. Thanks for having us today. Today we proudly look at our mission as a national mission. By default, we are regulated by different security regulators and authorities, and this mandates that we are aligned with the vision of security of the UAE with all the different regulators, and we are embedded along with these authorities in everything that we do, and everything that they demand us and others to do. We look at it as a collaborative initiatives that we work with these different authorities where they dictate, first of all, the policies and the legislation of the role of security companies alongside the vision and mission that they want us to achieve. So we complement each other in what we do today in security for the Emirate and for the country.
All right, that sounds very impressive. So we are at Intersec 2026 and Transguard has a strong presence here. Tell us what are the key highlights of your participation. Today is the last day. Are there any partnerships, any MOUs signed during these 3 days?
Well, the biggest highlight for us was that for the second year in a row, the TECHx exhibition has been inaugurated by His Highness Sheikh Mansour, and it starts with Transguard's booth. So he did pass by Transguard Group last year, and we were honored also for him to inaugurate the exhibition by also passing by Transguard Group. We were able to demonstrate and explain to him some of our latest command center technologies, our latest autonomous vehicles and the drones and the anti-drone technologies that we can and we are bringing in addition to 5 MOUs that have been signed with specialized partners, enabling each other in delivering what we do today. My colleague Tim will be able to elaborate more on the different partnerships, but it ranges between the partnerships with the anti-drone technology providers to the partnership with other integrators that are going to enable us deliver our solutions and the products.
Great. So moving towards you, Tim, Rabie just mentioned about how you're participating in Intersec and how security is a national priority now. So considering that, if you can give us an overview of the technologies on display at your booth, at Transguard booth this time to support this national cause?
Yeah, and thanks for having us here. As Rabie has already outlined, Intersec for us is a real springboard. It's really one of the only presents we actually really look to invest in here. And for us, it's absolutely key in trying to. It's not so much about educate; it's really about informing the market here and the wider region around what it is that systems integrator does. So there's some fantastic technologies, but what Transguard is we are really the glue that brings all those technologies, whether they want to talk to each other or not, we bring all those in. So the focus this year, as Rabie has already outlined, is around command and control room of the future. And what do I mean by that? I mean really trying to bring in all those data feeds that we have, and there are so many today. It just grows as every day goes by. So whether we're looking at video analytics, whether we're looking at autonomous vehicles, drones, counter drone, but there's so much data. How do we process that data? And that's what we do. That's what we're showing here with our partners. And Rabie has already mentioned that we've really had some great MOU signings across a multitude of disciplines. But for us, it's really around bringing that data source in, how we manage that, and then how we make decisions based on that data. That's what Transguard does. So whether we're doing that for the education sector, the security sector in its own right, whether that's the airport or whatever it might be, that's really what we do. We're not a camera company. We're not that side. We're really about how we bring all that into the center and manage that information.
Very interesting and very insightful. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was great talking to you.
Thank you for having us. Thanks.